And now we're going to cover the regulation for FPV drone with the goggles. Flying FPV drone with the goggles. For that, you're required to have observer, the person who maintains visual line of sight for you. The observer required to be next to you in case of any danger. He can easily communicate with you, he can give you any information, and obviously the observer required to keep maintenance visual line of sight with the drone at all time. An observer doesn't require to be registered as a drone operator, as you are still drone operator and you're taking all the responsibility for your flight. And in open category, you're not allowed to fly FPV drones with the goggles beyond the visual line of sight, and you're not allowed to fly without having any observer, without having a person who is going to maintain visual line of sight for you. Flying FPV drones with the goggles over uninvolved people. And if your FPV drone is a privately built drone, that means he doesn't have any classification label factory, he will fall in the subcategory A3. That means he's not allowed to fly over uninvolved people or group of people, and you have to maintain horizontal distance of at least 150 meters from a people. And if your FPV drone got classification label, like for example here we got the C1 classification label, that's drone will fall in the subcategory A1, and there will be exactly the same regulation like for C1 drones in the A1 subcategory. The only difference, you will require to have observer to keep maintenance visual line of sight with the drones for you. And now the safe distance where you have to keep from residential, commercial or industrial area, for example towns, cities, small village, any park or similars. And with the privately built FPV drones, you fell in the A3 subcategory. That means you're not allowed to fly in these areas, and you have to keep maintenance horizontal distance of at least 150 meters from these areas. And if you want to bypass any of the object as well, you will have to keep the 150 meters distance. And if your FPV drone got classification label, like for example here we got the C1 classification label, that's drone will fall in the subcategory A1, and there will be exactly the same regulation like for C1 drones in the A1 subcategory. The only difference, you will require to have observer to keep maintenance visual line of sight with the drones for you. And if you want to check any other drones regulation in the EU for open category, browse my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and we see you in the next video.